Hey, I love being an herbalist and I love making all the products for Papa's Apothecary, but I do a lot of things outside of that, outside of the skincare and wellness products. And today I want to make vanilla extract, and I will show you how to make your own vanilla extract. You can use this in place of what you would purchase at the store. You can make gifts. Vanilla extract is super expensive. Um, and it's expensive to make. The vanilla beans are pricey, but you get a much better product, much better outcome, and it's super easy. So you want 4 to 8 vanilla beans, about 4 vanilla beans per half a cup of water, or 8 vanilla beans per cup, and you can use any like vodka. You want to have a 35 to 50% alcohol. So vodka is generally 40%, which is perfect. You can use a bourbon. You can use rum. I'm going to use this vodka here. And so we're going to do 1 cup. You can adjust your ratios as needed, depending on how much vanilla you have. And you want the vanilla beans to be completely covered in the alcohol. I'm going to cut these in half lengthwise, and then in half again the other way. So I'm going to open these things up and add them to our jar. There, they'll fit perfectly in a little mason jar here. You want to increase your surface area so that the extraction can occur easier. And once we put this all together, covered with the vodka, once they're in the jar and covered, we'll put the lid on, and then we'll just set it aside and put it in the cupboard, shake it up every couple days or so, and after a few months, you can do as much as 1 month, but I recommend letting it go for 3 or 4. 6 months is even better. And then you'll have a super delicious homemade vanilla extract. And I use vanilla extract almost every day. I make oatmeal for breakfast in the Instant Pot with some blueberries, a little cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. And this is the first vanilla extract I've made in a couple years. So I'm excited to get this going. I wish I'd done it 6 months ago. Get all the vanilla beans in there. Cover it with our cup of water, cup of vodka. Put your lid on. And one of the most important things to do next is to put a label on it with a date, so you know exactly when you made your vanilla extract, and you'll know how long it takes for you to find the perfect flavor. Have a great day.